This is why you need these 5 easy vegan recipes. They're quick, healthy, and so simple, even a blender could do it, if blenders had hands. First up, the 5-minute smoothie bowl. Just blend your favorite frozen fruits with a splash of almond milk and top with nuts. It's like eating ice cream for breakfast, but without the guilt. Next, the classic avocado toast. Mash up an avocado, spread it on toasted bread, and sprinkle some salt and pepper. It's not just tasty, it's an Instagram star. Third on our list, the mighty chickpea salad. Toss chickpeas with diced tomatoes, cucumber, and a quick squeeze of lemon for a protein-packed lunch that'll keep you powered all afternoon. For a cozy dinner, try the 10-minute tofu stir-fry. Just sizzle some tofu with your favorite veggies and a dash of soy sauce. Fast, simple, and full of flavors that'll make your taste buds dance. Last but not least, the overnight oats. Mix oats with plant milk, a drizzle of maple syrup, and some berries. Refrigerate overnight and wake up to a creamy, dreamy breakfast waiting for you. There you have it. 5 easy, healthy vegan recipes to kickstart your plant-based journey. Who knew being healthy could taste so good and be so simple?